Crazy Chef, big vibe. This delicious seafood boil that you're seeing on your screen, right? I'm gonna show you a easy way to make seafood boil, to make it look this delicious. I think the only thing I didn't have was fresh parsley, right? I was lacking a little fresh parsley. I should have a little fresh parsley just sprinkle on the top. But anyway, this easy seafood boil that I make, right? You know, you make seafood boil, you gotta boil the seafood, you gotta do all this stuff, you gotta add the butter. What I'm saying is, what if we take onions, peppers, garlics, the old Shiraz, right? A cup of water or a half a cup of water, depends on what you like, because you're steaming it anyway, right? Take a little bouillon, right? And maybe 3 ounces of butter. And you put that, don't boil it, you let it simmer, right? We put the spices, all the stuff, right? Once it starts to boil a little bit, you add your seafood right in that, right? We're not gonna make the butter, we're not gonna do all that stuff, right? Today I'm not gonna do the corn and the potatoes either. I'm gonna serve this with a little ramen, right? But anyway, that's beside the point. You take all the seafood, you put it in there, you let it sweat. Soon as your crab and your lobster is halfway there, you add shrimp, right? And you let that just simmer within that stock and that butter, right? You want to cover it, right? I'm gonna put a little bit of broccoli in there just because we're not using potatoes and we're not using corn, right? So I'm putting a little broccoli right at the end, right? Then you want to cover that for a couple minutes, and soon as you're done, all you gotta do is turn it upside down. Once you've turned it upside down, you should have this beautiful seafood boil right in front of you, brother. I'm telling you, delicious. Crazy Chef, big vibe. If you like the content, hit the subscribe button. But either way, give your brother a like, share the video. Crazy Chef, always a vibe. Happy 2026.